middle of a war with a Waco charter in Sturgis, Ray Gore was thinking first and foremost about business. Not charter business, and not business business, even drug business. Cliff Mountain, prospecting farms in the residents and then on the super cliffs. He had a reputation as a no-nonsense lover. He was big, almost 6'4", but unlike a lot of bikers, he didn't carry a punch. He was a lean, muscular, hard-hitting fighter. I once saw him drop a hanger with one punch, the hardest I've ever seen him or taken. The other guy was out for maybe 10 minutes, to the point that people started to get worried that he wasn't ever going to get up. So nobody had a problem when Ray sponsored Cliff to prospect. What did seem odd was Cliff's girlfriend. They were attached to him. Everywhere he showed up, she was with him. Prospects don't do that. Even married prospects ride alone. They usually have something to their side. She was also out of his league, and out of place in a clubhouse or bar. Too sophisticated, too well put together. I didn't think much of it at the time. A lot of different types of women are attracted to that more biker image, and Cliff Mountain was good looking. Life goes on, even in a war. California is such a big state. Charters in the north and the south often operated in different worlds. So even though the Mongols were a club life concern, Dago was driving the war. In November, Sonny Barger walked out of Folsom Freeman, 6 years short of his full sentence. Key players in Oakland and Frisco were busy protecting their interests in the meth business. Solano County Sheriff's Inspector Bill Sharkey was blown up getting into his car on the way to the courthouse for a hearing in the meth possession trial of Oakland Hells Angel Vice President James Brandis. Meanwhile, in Southern California, it was common knowledge that Cliff was moving drugs for Ray. Ray had Ventura County locked up and was looking to branch out into the much bigger meth market in Orange County. I think Ray planned on Cliff being his guy in the OC. The post-holiday lull quieted everything down. But in February, cops collared Robert Mexican Mike Johnson and William Filthy Bill Peters, staking out DA investigator Ray Morgan's house. Ray Morgan had arrested and testified against a lot of agents, and Johnson and Peters were Dago prospects. Cops searched their homes and found what they called a hit kit. It included a map to Morgan's house, camo gear, guns, and a parabolic mic. This just proved what every Hells Angel already knew. The Dago guys would take it at any level. The hammer fell in April 1978, when squads of cops led by the Orange County Sheriff's Department made drug arrests throughout Southern California. The arrests were the conclusion of an undercover operation using evidence gathered by Cliff Mountain and his girlfriend, who in reality was not only his girlfriend, but also an Orange County Sheriff's investigator. The cops arrested Bruno, but Ray Gore was the biggest fish cuffed. Russell Bayard rode down from Oakland, picked up Kim, and took her back to Oakland.